Hello and welcome to Family Cookbook Project's tutorial on how to create your own custom recipe categories in your cookbook. So today we're going to start in our editor's account, and we're going to go down to the Layout and Design Center by clicking the green button. In the additional design options, you'll find Recipe Categories, Add and Edit. This is where we're going to start. So the first thing you see are the default categories that every cookbook starts with. And these basically will meet the needs of most people creating a family cookbook. But sometimes you want to have some additional categories or reorder them or break them up a little bit. And that's where this part comes in. So you're able to create your own categories. For example, I like pizza. So I'm actually going to add a new category for pizza. Now, you won't see it in your default categories, but if you come down below, you'll see a new category has been added for pizza. And if you go to your View Recipes, recipe table of contents, you'll see pizza has been added to the list of default categories. Now, unfortunately, you don't have the ability to reorder those because they're ingrained in our system. But what you can do is recreate those categories as your own custom categories, and then click on this button for Use Your Own Custom Categories. And I'm going to do that now. All right, so I'm back, and I have now created all new categories for that were exactly the same as the default ones, but now I have pizza, which is the first category, and I don't want it there. So I'm going to click on this button here that says use only your own custom categories. And then this now is going to be all the categories. Make sure you save your changes. And if you go to View Recipes now, these are just the recipes, the categories that I have put in. So now I'm going to reorder the categories by using this Sort Order button and changing them. I like all the beginning ones, but I want my pizza to show up probably right after the main courses. So I'm going to change this number to 7. Nope, actually I'm going to change it to 6. Then this 6 I'm going to change to 7. 7 will then go to 8. 8 now goes to 9. And that's all of the categories. So now when I save my changes, you will find that the pizza category is jumped down to the 5th position. Now I want to change some of the names of these also. And for example, seafood, poultry, pasta, and casseroles. I have a lot of those, so I want to create those as custom or as subcategories. So what I can do is take the name of the category, click on this subcategory button, and then type in whatever you want. I'm just cutting and pasting because it's a lot quicker. So now I have a subcategory for seafood. I'm going to do another one for poultry. Now I have 2 subcategories here and another one for pasta. The good thing about this is you can now put all of your seafood recipes all together within the larger category of main courses. I then am able to just call this main courses and make sure that I click my Save Changes button for it to be saved in the system. Going up to the table of contents, you'll now see main courses is divided up into your main courses, which is everything else, and then specifically seafood, poultry, and pasta. One other thing, you don't have to add subcategories to change everything. I don't necessarily like miscellaneous, so I call it everything else. And I save that. So those are my categories for my cookbook. There's two other things I want to show you while we're here. The first is the call out section for your subcategories. When you print a recipe, you're able to see in your recipe book where you are, and you can see the subcategory, and you can actually have little dividers added that will delineate those within your printed PDFs. So that's just a nice little feature to have to make your subcategories stand out a little bit. The other tool we have is the bulk category recipe tool. This is used when you've already entered recipes into one category and then you've created a subcategory, and you're able to move, or say you've put them into the default categories, now you need them in the new category. You can actually select all of the recipes from one section and then move them down into another section. It's an all or none kind of tool, but it allows you to move the recipes into new categories quickly. I hope this helps you understand better the ability to use custom categories, and you're able to integrate this into your cookbook. Thank you again for today for watching.